and today I'm going to be doing Sephora Play unboxing. I'm super excited to see what I got. And Sephora Play is $10 a month, so if you want to, you can subscribe to Sephora Play down below in the description below. Go check it out if you want. Yeah, I can't wait to see what I got. And don't forget to like this video and smash that subscribe button down below or hit it right about here. And without further ado, here we go, Sephora Play unboxing. And yeah, I'm super excited. I'm waiting for this to arrive. So yeah, let's get into it. This box is so cute. I just love it. All right. Get them all the stuff out of here. Okay, that's all. Alright, it comes in a little bag or pouch, whatever you want to call it. It's so cute. It says, Happy New Year, Sephora Play, and this is 2018. So yay, I've been waiting for this. I ordered it for like a birthday present and for my birthday for January 16th. And I wanted to try this in a course Birchbox, and I'm super excited to see what's inside here. And this gives you pretty much what's inside. But let's be surprised. We'll look at that after we look inside of it, because I always like to look inside of it before I see what's in it. So let's do that, because I think that would be so much fun. Alright, here we go. Alright, we got Makeup Forever Artist Face Color, and it is blush. Hopefully this lighting is doing this justice, you know. I work with what I got, you know. Alright, another option we have is Insane Hydration, and this is an all-in-one power primer, and I'm super excited to try this out because I love primers for my face, and I love anything that helps the makeup stay or look good. So definitely excited to try this out. Yeah, I've been hearing about this, like Smashbox in general, so I'm super excited to try Smashbox. Actually been wanting some Smashbox stuff, so can't wait to try it, obviously, because he keeps wanting to go everywhere else. Alright, let's see. Alright, Glam Glow Super Cleanse. Yes, I've been really wanting to get the Glam Glow, like in general. Like, I've just been wanting to get the face mask and all that stuff, and I've been really wanting to try Glam Glow, so I'm super excited to try this. This is a Glam Glow Super Cleanse, and this is, yeah, I'm super excited to see what it does. Yeah, just helps your face. I'm super excited. I love Glam Glow. I've been wanting some stuff from it. I just haven't been able to get it yet, so hopefully soon. If I can get this stuff off of here, I don't want to rip it. And I just did. Well, at least I didn't rip the packaging. Am I right? Okay. This is, see, shampoo and conditioner. And this is Marco Cano. I can't say the name, but that's what it is. Super cute. I can't wait to try it. I definitely need some shine, some moisturizer in my hair for sure. Cleanses and leaves and hair cleansed and nourished, and let's see, conditions, it says. And I can't wait to try it out for sure. My hair is very sensitive to everything these days, so I can't wait to try it out. Alright, we have a next thing. We have a Pep Start, which is eye cream, and it's super cute. Look how cute that is. It's super cute. Super cute, super cute. Okay. And then the next thing we have is, if I can find the name, here we go. Of course, we got Hydrating Cloud Cream. And this is, okay, it's for apply to face and neck. Super excited for that. Let's see what it smells like, if it has any smell. No, don't really have a smell. Kind of smells like the hydrating thing I got from Birchbox, which is amazing, by the way. Let's see what this... I always like anything that smells good. This reminds me of like chapstick. Okay. Alright, this is the blush, and I just wanted to do like a little swatchy. And it's so pretty. I love that color. Here's what it looks like inside of it. I don't know if that's the color. It just says free sample. Oh, here we go. It just says Florida juice. I don't even know, but it looks really cute. To see if the colors in here, it probably is. So we're gonna check it out. All right. Here we go. Makeup Forever. Yeah. Looks. I like the color. I really love the color. Like I love like peach. Like it's so cute. I love peach color on your cheeks. Or redness. It's just something about it is cute. All right. That's cute. Yeah. I'm definitely excited to try the. Let's see if I can find everything. I'm definitely excited to try this little bad boy because I love Glam Glow and I may want to try some stuff from there. So I'm definitely excited to try it out without having to purchase the big thing of it for like $20. So definitely excited to try it out. And I'm definitely excited to try this Smashbox Prime Zaire. I can't wait to try it. Definitely sounds pretty interesting. It hydrates and that's pretty neat. It says 24-hour hydration. Moisturizer, lightweight, lasts all day. I love that. Can't wait to try it, and I can't wait to try this little guy too. Super cute. And this little guy, I'm actually really excited about everything I've got in here. Honestly, I mean everything in here I'm definitely gonna use and try out. And of course this little guy too. I love anything that helps my hair and keeps it somewhat living and breathing and somewhat looking alive. So I'm all about anything for my hair and my face and makeup wise. So anyways, that's all I have you guys today for Sephora Playbox 2018. I think it's worth it for $10 a month. You get to try all these products for $10 a month. And I mean, who wants to go in Sephora and buy all kinds of products you don't know if they'll look good on you? Why don't you just go try it out? So I'm super excited to get to try some of the products that I've been wanting to try. Like, definitely Glam Glow is definitely one of them I've been wanting to buy for, like, literally the last few months. I've been obsessing about all the Glam Glows on my page. I'm just like, I want it. But anyways, you know, I want to try it out. If I like it, I might invest in more Glam Glow. Because if this is good, the other Glam Glow products are good. That's how I'm going to state it. But anyways, I think it was worth it. And I'm so happy with everything I got. And if you want to check out Sephora Play, link down below, go check it out. And that's all I have you guys today for Sephora Play unboxing 2018. I hope you guys enjoy it. And anyways, that's all I have you guys today. See you guys soon, and don't forget to like this video and smash that subscribe button down below or hit it right about here. And don't forget to check out all the stuff down below in the description below. And that's all. See you guys soon. Peace.